everybody, guess what? I have bought something new. I was pretty excited to get a Jeffree Star box. Now what happened is I was getting my lunch ready and all of a sudden I saw that there was 3 minutes left to the time that these boxes were available, and they were just available 3 days ago. This shipped, like today is Monday and I got this today, and this I bought on Friday afternoon, so it was crazy. So what happened is they came live at a certain time and I hurried up and made sure I had my profile all set up ready to go, and then it like popped up. I bought it. I paid with PayPal because it was just faster that way. Come back and the site crashed. I go back, the site crashed. The crash crashed, but I did get an email from Saving Star or from PayPal saying that I got charged for that, and then I eventually got an email saying that the order is going through and they're processing the order, and I'm like, okay, good. So I did get it. But I'm like, you know what? I just wanted to get Jeffree Star products. I've never had Jeffree Star products. I watch his videos all the time. I follow him on Snapchat, all that stuff. But I just really wanted a box. Now they had 3 different boxes available, and I've never gotten any of his products, and I kind of just wanted to just do it. So there's 3 boxes. There was the mini one, which is the one I got for $20, and then they had one that was a little bit more, and I can't get this open. But they had one that was it was like $50 and the other one was like $70. So I'm like, yeah, we'll just get the $20 one just to see what we got. So cool little packaging. It's got his little symbols on it. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what we got. Like I said, I have no idea what I got, but for $20 we'll see if it's worth it or not. So, oh sweet! So I got a pop socket. This is actually something that I've been thinking of getting, but I didn't want to spend like the money for it. I'm actually pretty excited to get that because I do not have one on my phone, and when I'm like sitting with her, it's really hard to hold my phone, and I've actually been thinking of getting a pop socket. So this totally made my day. I was looking for more for makeup items, but I will take a pop socket no matter what, and it's got the Jeffree Star little symbol on it with his little color. And then I got 2 more items in here, and it looks like they are lipsticks, which I will take. So the first item we got is, was it Medusa? This is Velour Liquid Lip, and it's a matte finish, long-lasting, extreme beauty matte finish. Liquid lips. I'm pretty excited to try that one. And then the other one also is a liquid lip also. Is it? Yeah, it's also a liquid lip. And this one is Scandal. So I'm pretty excited to try both of them. I've been really into wearing lipsticks lately. I always wear lipsticks when I do my videos, but I'm just kind of excited. So I don't know how much these retail for if you bought them. We're just going to open from the bottom. It says shake well before use, but the Scandal one I'm opening, oh, I love it. I love it. It's like a, or is this the packaging? It's like Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lips. I mean, I like the glitter, you guys. I'm just obsessed with the glitter, but let's see what the color is. So it is a good, like, purple. I got lipstick on me, but we're just going to put it on. It's really smooth. I don't know. I like it. I love the packaging, you guys. Like, I've never realized how gorgeous this packaging is. You guys can kind of see the color more on the camera than what I can see because it's very like translucent. But I mean, with my other lipstick on, I really like this. You guys, this might be a favorite of mine. I am so excited to sorry, Miss Charlotte wants to be with me. I'm so excited to finally get some of his product, but I am so excited for that. So that was Scandal. I just love it. That, oh, you guys, this is going to be like my favorite. Miss Charlotte's pulling my hair. And the next one we're going to open is Medusa. So let's see what this one is. And again, it says shake well before opening, but we did shake it. So this one's more of a purple color. I'm not really into purple lipsticks, but I'm not complaining. I think the packaging on this is just gorgeous. Oh my god. Just gorgeous. But it is a purple color. I'm not really in, it's like a purplish blue. I'm not really into that color, but I will try it. Otherwise, if not, I can always give it to somebody I know. But definitely loving these colors. So 3 items for 20 bucks. I'm actually pretty happy with what I got. I was really super like, you know, like, am I going to like it? Am I going to not? But I mean, 2 items I absolutely love. If you think about it, you know, I got these for 3 of them for 20 bucks. I think that is a pretty good deal. If you guys enjoyed my Jeffree Star unboxing, or if you guys want to see me do more Jeffree Star items, please let me know. They are a little expensive, you know, because I'm a couponer, but I'm totally cool with that. So again, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all later for another mystery unboxing. Bye-bye.